Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can start important file or folder in your Google Drive. So guys, first of all, let's just open our Google Drive application on our phone. Then we're going to select a file or folder we want to start. And for example, I'm going to start this folder. So we can tap on this three dots button. Then we can select the add to start, this one. Okay, and now the item has been started, and if you want to check the item or this folder, we can tap on the start option right here. Okay, so we can get quick access for this folder. Alright guys, and that's how we can start important file or folder in Google Drive. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.